Well, Erin is our first official hurricane of the season, and it's expected to turn into our first major hurricane of the season as it will intensify as it goes into warmer water as it passes north of the Leeward Islands in Puerto Rico. By Sunday, it should reach Category 4 strength as it starts to curve northward. Thankfully, the majority of the models has Erin steered away from the continental United States. We do have one outlier that grazes the Carolinas, but overall, it should go in between the island of Bermuda and the Atlantic coastline. So thankfully for Central Georgia, we're not expecting any impacts from Erin. Now, the good news for the areas in the Gulf, we had a tropical disturbance and had a 50% chance of development in the next 2 days and a 50% chance of development in the next 7 days. But thankfully, the showers and storms associated with this disturbance have diminished. So thankfully, it is not a threat anymore for any areas along the Gulf.